Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we have another unboxing of a phone, and that too of the Nokia 5. Yay, yet another Nokia. It's almost as if we've become Nokia fanboys or something. So this is the Nokia 5 2017 edition, and the reason why we picked it up is because A, it's just been discounted to about $120, and two, they had an update for its software, Android Oreo, and three, also because it was coming with an offer. You buy the phone, you get a case, you get a screen protector, all for 120 bucks. And we thought it's a good way to test out to see, you know, if the phone is worth its budget price now, and is it something you could buy in 2018 for those looking for a cheaper phone. And the thing is that the phone specs, they're alright. I mean, for 120 bucks you get 2 gigs of RAM, 16 GB storage, you get a Snapdragon 430, which is alright, and a 5.2 inch 720 panel, which is, you know, bare bones. 13 megapixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera, and they're not Zeiss, but you know, I mean, that's what you expect for about 120 bucks. And although it says Nougat, it has been updated, but it's also supposed to be a metal body design, so I mean, it can't be that bad for 120 bucks. So as always, I'm here with Rayan the Techwiz. He's gonna unbox the phone, so you can go ahead. Right, yeah, it's just a pull tab like all the Nokia phones you've seen.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is. There's the phone.
I'll take it again. I'll take it now.
Huh? Yeah, it's the same plastic thing. We'll put that to the side for now. You can check what else comes inside this budget phone's box.
Nothing.
Just a SIM eject tool, papers as always. So, what do we get inside? Did you actually get headphones in this price? Oh, what do you know? You actually do get headphones. And a USB, micro USB cable, not USB Type-C like the other Nokia phones. And very bare bones headphones. And I'm certain this one's not a quick charger. It's just a basic charger. Well, I guess that's it for the unboxing of the phone. Let's move this stuff aside. Alright, so let's try to peel off that sticker that Nokia loves to seal the phone with. Is it also just as difficult as the Nokia 6?
Yep.
It's not tearing, is it?
No.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Whoa. It's tighter.
Oh, there you go.
Black.
So how does it feel? Does it feel good in the hand, or?
Yep.
Is it? Yeah, it's also aluminum. Aluminum body. So it's the black variant, and yeah, it feels really good in the hand for a budget phone. I mean, it only costs 120, and it has a fingerprint sensor, and close to stock Android OS. Let's see what the case that came with it feels like. You can unbox it.
Move the phone out.
Okay, so let's just there. Open it from the top. Check it out. Okay, so the case is still inside the packet. I mean, it's just a very clear case. Wow, hard to put on too. So it's just a bare bones case, but at least it does a little bit of protecting. It has a little bit of a lip. So there you have it. I mean, it's an okay case. It will do the job. It's not going to do a lot of drop protecting, but it does something. And for a budget phone of 120 bucks, I guess it's all right. What do you think, Ryan? You think it's a good phone for 120 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. So we've updated the phone to Android Oreo, and we've been messing around with it. I was testing out the experience, and Before the Android Oreo update, it was a little bit sluggish, but it was all right for the budget price that you can't expect much. But is it a Nokia 6 or is it a Nokia 7? Is it going to give you the same smooth experience? No, but you should expect that because it's only 120 bucks. I mean, you're getting case and screen protector. I'm not sure if that's the case in all regions, but at least in the Middle East, we're getting that offer. And if you're looking for a basic phone in the budget section, it's not bad. It has stock Android 8.1, and the cameras are, I mean, they'll do the job. But I mean, for 120 bucks, you're not going wrong with a metallic phone, decent camera. So, Ran, you think the phone's good?
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah? Would you give it a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
But why would you, do you think people should buy this phone? Would you recommend it to them?
Yep.
Why would you recommend it to them?
Because this phone, it's okay.
It's okay.
Also, it's cute.
So you recommend this phone because it's cute. So, despite all your technical prowess, you think people should buy this phone because it's cute. Right. I guess that sums up the review. Buy this phone because it's cute.
Thumbs up.